Hey guys, what's up? It's Glenn from Flower Cup TV. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time to the channel, try to get subbed up and hit that like button if you like what you see at the end of the video, okay? Today, we are unboxing the Alien Hydro RDWC system. We have a 6-site system with 36-liter pots, that's 9.5 gallons. And we're putting it in a 4x8 tent. So let's check it out. Vinyl pipe cutter. Hydromag recirculating water pump with air induction. Water pump 20. It says oil free, plant safe. Then we got these. These are the T's for the 50mm pipes. We got this, which is a filter. These are the alien bulkheads. This is the top for the header pot. First it goes on the pot like that, see? And then these pieces over here come and go on the pot like that. And this is the pipes that they use. It feels like a soft plastic header pot. That's the header pot. And you got more of these tops for the rest of the 6 sites, right? But then you got the rest of the net pots. There you go, all 6 net pots. All 6 of the net pots there. And you got 6 air rings in there. 6 air rings. Then you got these elbows. You got the T's. So you got the tool. This big tool to tighten the pipes, the bulkheads. What's up? And these are the other parts to the bulkheads. There go the clamps for the side of the pots and for the air connectors. And here go the instruction manual. And here go some more clamps for the hoses. Guys, so I went to the Alien Hydro North America site and I went to go get my system because I seen Native Sugar Shack using this system. And after he displayed all of the other systems, I decided to go with the RDWC system. So the first thing I wanted to do was make sure I picked the system that I wanted. Now, the system I wanted was this right here. The 2-row 6-pot system. I have a 4x8 tent and I want the bigger pots, and yes, I want the remote header pot so that can be out of the tent if I need it to be, and I want the air pump. That's, as a matter of fact, that's one of the things that sealed the deal for me. When Native Sugar Shack said it's the quietest pump he's had, that's where I wanted it. The first thing you do before you add it to the cart and buy it, you want to go down here. Okay, this is very important. So don't skip through this part if you can. You want to hit room because this is going to help you size this thing and also going to help you build it easy. Okay, you hit room. And you want to show your room or tent area with the shading. So click, check the box. And now this is showing us a 4x4 area here, which I have a 4x8 tent. So we're going to just change this to 96 inches. And that's the size tent I have. So I want to make sure that this is the right size. I want to stretch it over here a little bit. So what I'm going to do is go to the setup tab. The setup tab allows you to change the distance of the header pot if I wanted to move the header pot over here, I would do something like this. Put 5 inches away, and you can see it's moved away. Maybe I should do it more. I mean, I was 6 inches away. You can see it's moved away. Maybe I should do 9, and then you can see that it's moved 9 inches away. But for now, we're gonna leave it at the 2.76 mark because I just want it inside of the tent temporarily, and if I need to cut it later, I will. But what I want to do is spread the system out some. So let's click on this so the header pot moves back over. And now this is the space in between the rows, you know, this space between these. So if you wanted to move them out a little bit, you could. And I did mine. I put 24, just a little bit, right? Spread them apart a little bit, little room here, little room there. Now this is the space that was most important to me. I'm looking and checking. I'm gonna check at 26. 26 is close. Let's try 27. 27 is looking good. 28. Oh, 28 looks like it's just about right, because if you look at it, there's room on the left side still in the tent, in the shaded area. You see the green area around, that's the whole tent. So this is enough room for me. Once I place it inside the tent, I'll still have a little bit of room over there. That's the size that I wanted. So this is what I'm going with. So this is the reason why you need this. Once you decide on this, you can come here to display, right? And if you want to, it could show you the pipe manifold. This is when it's time to build it, right? This is very important. You can screenshot this. That's what I did. I screenshotted it. And I also screenshotted the measurements right here. Okay, for pipe A, they were 14 1/4. That's the exact measurement I used. And for pipe D, right here, you see the measurements there. You see the measurements for the F pipes. So we cut all of those pipes to size. So it's important. It's good to screenshot this. Screenshot this too. And when you go to build it, that's basically your instruction manual. 4 things. And you basically hooked up everything. Trust me, it's easier than it looks. Now, back to what we really unboxed here. We have our cutting all the pipes to the correct size. That's these. And you're gonna need these, which came with the kit, the alien vinyl pipe cutters. And you're gonna need one of these to get your measurement correct. You don't need this one in particular, but you're gonna need one. This is a tape measure. Okay? Then you can get started. You also gonna need something to mark it with. So you gotta mark it right there. See, so this is how I did it. I measured it according to the website to 14 1/4, as y'all see. And then I marked it with a Sharpie. And now I'm gonna cut it like this. Then you gotta turn it. Okay, see that? That's a clean cut. Okay, so see these exact. Okay, there go my 4A cuts that I needed to make. They all 14 1/4 inches. On to the next. All right, I got the first pot done. I'm put the rubber washers on the outside of the pot only. I wasn't sure, but my wife informed me. Then you can use the wrench tool to tighten it up. This is the wrench tool. I tightened it with my hand so far, but I'm gonna use this to tighten it up before I run the system. On this side. On the outside. It's much easier if you twist the outside. You hold this in place, twist the outside up again to get it going. Then grab this tool, this wrench. See, it's pointing the way we want it. It's gonna go over here in the tent. Okay, this is what I'm up to. I just finished running the air hose, which is this gray hose. And do you see I cut the blue T's in there? And now I gotta run this blue hose to each one of these earrings that's in the bottom. I put 3 suction cups on each one. I got all of the hoses hooked up. Earrings, and I got the pump hooked up, and it's pretty much time to fill it up with some water and see if I got it right. Okay, so now I'm filling up the water. Just letting the bucket fill. Don't got the system running or nothing yet. Okay, I got the Alien Hydro system set up. See the bubbles bubbling? Look at that. That's a bubble. Okay, I got everything set up. Bubbling everywhere. So, you ready to get these clones in here and get started growing? Thanks to Native Sugar Shack. I was on the fence and seeing his videos made me go ahead and purchase this. Now, I want to also thank Alien Hydro. You know, I purchased this with my own money, and I'm not sponsored by them, but they was very supportive throughout me building this thing and putting it together. I didn't need much help, but they definitely helped me every step of the way. So they're a good customer service company too, just to let you guys know that. And I'm excited to get started. So if you want to see these clones get put in here and do a clone to harvest, make sure you get subscribed. And this is G from Flower Cup TV.